Introducing the new SECURAM Touch Fingerprint Smart Lock, the high-security smart lock for your front door. Using keys to open the front door is a thing of the past. Just one touch with your finger, and you're in. Get notified when family members arrive home safe and sound. The SECURAM Touch locks behind you automatically when you arrive and when you leave. You can check the status of your door using the SECURAM app. Create single-use, time-limited codes for whoever needs access to your home. And get notifications right to your phone, so you're always in control. The app lets you remotely lock and unlock your door from wherever you are, as if you were home. The SECURAM Touch Smart Lock is tough. It resists the harshest weather conditions. Its long battery life, milled metal casing, and stainless steel deadbolt will stand the test of time. Connect to Alexa for voice commands. Use the Smart Hub to connect all your SECURAM devices, like window sensors and smart safe locks. Install in just minutes. All you need is a screwdriver. The SECURAM app is available on both Android and iOS devices. For a home as safe as it is smart, try the SECURAM Touch Smart Lock today.